Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Yeah, OVO sound. Who's calling that shit?
You know my time is precious. Rich and Millie the 360, cause you been real with me 360. Street nigga buy all drugs, but you made a nigga buy you new titties. I made room. I care to make you love me, not make shade room. Ain't scared to say I love you, but to be honest, you can't leave, so ain't work. I tried. You tell me I spend my time with all my guys. No, we don't spend time. I say I'm a star, but I still do. These gon' be the same ones that's gon' kill for you. I'm on this road, and I'm not sure where my heart is headed. And if you left me now, I know how far I regret it. Told you once, tell you twice, that I'm indebted. But I can't waste no time, you know my time is precious. I'm on this road, and I'm not sure where my heart is headed. And if you left me now, I know how far I regret it. Told you once, told you twice, that I'm indebted. But I can't waste no time, you know my time is precious.
Anyways, sorry y'all. So I started these from a whole potato. The other ones I'm starting from just eyes. So we're gonna like see how growth is wise versus starting from a full potato to just eye pieces. So let's go ahead and transport these. So we're about to transplant my potatoes, my russet potatoes or bacon potatoes, whatever you want to call them, into 5-gallon buckets. I have 2 5-gallon buckets. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. This, I have my potatoes in this, and as you can see, they're getting too big. And I do label my seedlings for the most part. And I put crystals in my stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna put some soil in the bottom of the bucket, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of worm castings because I bought some of that. But I'm gonna put my little plants from over there that I have left drying out in the bottom first, and then put these on top. So we got our earthworm castings. I'm gonna do like a little mixy situation. So I got some poured in there, and I'm doing this no gloves. And I don't have any scissors, but it's all right. Give me a minute. Okay, so I got it to about the half-gallon line. I'm gonna put some of my seedlings in the bottom, and then I'm gonna cover it with more dirt, and just gonna see how it goes from there. Okay, so I got some fresh eyes in here, well, kind of fresh. So I'm gonna cover these up with soil and water them. I was told the key to potatoes is kind of a set it and forget it. So once it starts growing, like you see greenery, you put some more dirt on top of it and water it, keep going. Just like, it's just basically just keep forgetting about it, and then within, I think they said 30 to 90 days, you can harvest. So this is my one set that I'm starting brand new. The other one I've been started, it's already green. So yeah, I'll show y'all when I'm done. All right, so I turned my thing upside down, and do y'all see this root system? I broke it up some. Not gonna break it up too much, but now I'm gonna turn this over and add more dirt around it and cover up the greenery. All right, so the bucket is halfway full. I'm not gonna cover these greens all the way up because then as it grows up, I won't have more room to add more dirt. So I'm gonna keep this like this for like a week or two. As these grow higher, I'm gonna add more and more dirt. So I'm gonna put this with the other one, and we're gonna go from there.